Hi everyone, I wanted to quickly show you how you can prevent yourself from scams on OpenSea and in general, like while purchasing an NFT, what all should you look at before buying it and making sure that you're buying the real NFT and not a fake one. So I'm buying one of the NFTs from this collection, Junior Punks, and as I'm looking at this NFT right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to verify whether this NFT belongs to the original collection of Junior Punks or is it a fake one. So one of the ways to verify it is by checking the contract address. So I have just you can just write Junior Punks on, let's say, the OpenSea platform, because that is where I'm buying it. And when I write Junior Punks, you can see a lot of these different Junior Punks, right? So I'm gonna click on the collection, which is 5555 items, and then you can see their Twitter linked with their account. You can see the items, and most importantly, you can join their community, and you have to go to their website to see. So here I can click on the link, and I can see that they have a website. So go on their website. As you can see, like they have mentioned their entire roadmap for 2022, and they have mentioned their team, and they have their Discord. So you go and join their Discord, because in this they are saying that they will share their contract address in the Discord. So here you can see, like, where can I buy a Junior Punk? Minting will be available through our official website, and smart contract address only. Official smart contract will be provided by our team on launch day in our Discord. So you have to check on the Discord for their contract address. Usually all the legit NFTs and the projects behind them, they're very happy to share their contract addresses openly. So you can join their Discord and check for their contract address. So here you can just accept invite and open the Discord and go into their community Discord server. So in my case here, I'm already there in their group. So here you can see the official links. Here, if you scan this is the smart contract address that the original CryptoPunks, the original Junior Punks have. So here you can just click on this Ether scan. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see their address. This is the contract address, and this is the max supply that they have. And as you can see, like, the name is also Junior Punks, right? So I'm just going to copy paste this here, like, let's say on a notepad. And then while buying it, I'm gonna make sure that the contract address is the same, because this is where the minting happened initially. So here I'm just going to scroll down and check this. Here in the details tab, you can find the contract address. Just click on this and see this. This is the contract address. Copy this, and here in your notepad, wherever you pasted it, you can just tally it. It should be the same. So as you can see, this one and this one is exactly the same, which means that this is the original NFT, right? This is not a scam. So this is how you verify whether the NFT that you're buying is original or fake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.